So now to deploy your site, what we need to do is publish all of our changes up into GitHub. So let's go ahead and do that. So essentially you put in your commit name or whatever you want, what you've done. So I've just put completed Node.js API, and then we commit our changes and sync the changes. So that's everything done on the VS Code side of things. So now all we do, if we refresh our browser on GitHub, you can see these are our changes, completed Node.js API. So now that everything is updated and all our code is online on the GitHub repository, this repository is what we will be using to deploy the application onto the web. So if we go into this URL here, which is render.com, essentially it's a free service where we can deploy our Node.js application onto. So your fastest path to production, build, scale, deploy, and so on. If you've used this before, you just need to go into your dashboard, but if not, you would just register into the account and create a new account. Is quite simple to do. You could do it with your Google account. So all we need to do is go into our dashboard. So the render dashboard over here, and I've done one previously. So all you need to do is, if you don't see this, on this blue button here, click new and click web service. So this is the option we want to select, which is build and deploy from a Git repository. So click next, and then you connect your repository. So the code we've uploaded is here a minute ago, so let's click connect. So now let's go ahead and fill in the details in here. So all I'm going to do is call this the movie API-YT. The branch is going to be the main branch. If you had a root directory, such as if everything was in your source folder, then you would put that in here. Runtime is Node, so we'll keep that as it is. The build command is npm install, and then our start command is node index.js. If we scroll down, if we want it for professional use, there are paid tiers here, so we don't need to worry about that. We want to choose the one with the least CPU, which is this one, and it's free. So if we keep scrolling down, we have environment variables. If you have any environment variables in your project, then you would select this, but otherwise you would just click create web service. So now this will run the build command and deploy your application onto the web. So all you need to do is wait and check the logs to see if everything's happened and worked correctly. So now that's all complete. You can see here it says build uploaded in 7 seconds. The build was successful and deployed, and the service is live. So let's go ahead and click this link here. So now you can see our Node API is live. Let's go and check /API/movie. And now you can see these are our movies that we updated in here.